been fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. I've been fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up and then they shot down. And my homies pull up on your block and make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Switch my weekend back in black and started saying rest in peace to Bon Scott. Said that we blowin' smoke, she hits me light a fire like a Mossad. The full stage, probably leave my fucking show in a cop car. She was legendary through a TV out the window of the montage. Cooking on the table like a party, don't give a damn. Dude, the girlfriend is a book, but she's tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band, hey, hey. Now she acting out of pocket, try to grab her from my pants. I'm a bitch in my trailer, say she ain't got a man. And they know about a friend, hey, hey. Man, I feel it's like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up and then they shot down. And my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Backing any bad bitches, jumping in the pool and they ain't got no love. Headed from the back, pulling on the tracks, now she's screaming out no more. Be like savage, why you got a 12 car garage and you only got 6 cars. I ain't with the key, now you kiss that. Your wife say I'm looking like a whole snack. 300s in my safe, I got whole racks. LA bitches always asking where the coke at. Living like a rock star, smash out on a cuff car. Sweeter than a pop chart, you know you are not hard. I don't make a hot shot, maybe it's a trap hard. Living like a rock star, living like a rock star. Okay.